Dear shareholders, the year 2022 has again been extraordinary with negative economic drivers like high inflation, increasing interest rates, electricity cost, and global geopolitical instability. At the same time, looking from our point of view, many of the developments support our future performance. During the pandemic, customer spending decreased, which decreased the demand for loans. Now, spending has increased again, and inflated living cost, which has resulted in a higher demand for loans. Due to higher mortgage interest rates, we have seen a new customer segment of higher income consumers who need financial flexibility. The low unemployment rates and increased salaries in Europe support good payment behavior. In 2021, our 4-year EBIT guidance started at 20 million euro, continuing with the 50% growth year on year. In the first year of our guidance, we successfully surpassed this, and I am proud to say that we again in 2022 exceed our guidance by generating 31.6 million euro in EBIT from 212.4 million euro in revenue. This means that we deliver 16.2% increase in EBIT and 4% increase in revenue year on year. I would also like to highlight at this point that we decide to pay a dividend of 0.12 per share after a gap of few years. We confirm our EBIT guidance of 45 million euro for 2023, and our confidence comes from three things: building scalability, a strong focus on countries and products with the highest profitability, and a favorable macroeconomics environment for us. Last year, our loan portfolio was 509.5 million euro, a 13% increase. Our net income increased to 12 million euro, and our earnings per share increased to 39 euro cents. At the end of the year, our equity ratio was 24.1%, compared to 21.2% end of the 2021. I'm especially excited to talk about our next topic, which is our growth platform. In 2021, we announced it, and our vision of become the most valued financial ecosystem. At the same time, we reposition ourselves from Fortum Group to Multitude. In 2022, we enforced the elements of our growth platform. Platforms are a hot topic amongst many fintechs and other technology companies across industries. But let me explain what we mean by platform and platform thinking. For us, a platform is more about the business model and the related process than only about technology. We help other business scale and grow faster than they could on their own. Over the past 17 years, we have developed industry-leading know-how in data usage, regulation, funding, and technology. Our platform has internal and external customers. They can connect it to it on one or several ways, of the previous mention for added value. We see the growth platform as a key component to how we at the Multitude want to reach our ambition vision of being the most valued financial ecosystem. Let me share a few words about the three internal customers of our platform, starting with Swedbank. Last year, Swedbank's operations were refocused for future profitability, and we expect a positive EBIT in 2024. Fortum once again exceeded expectation and was the main contributor to our revenue and EBIT last year. Our target for 2023 and 2024 is to achieve an improvement of 5% in EBIT year on year. The year started weak for Capital Box. We began turnaround to capture the growing business opportunity. Despite a loss in 2022, Capital Box is now on its way to achieve 10 million euro EBIT in 2024. Looking at group level, we are proud that we we were able to place €90 million bond in total during the year, 40 million in the spring and 50 million at the end of the year, despite the difficult market conditions. It tells a tale of our strength and the trust of the investor in us, which we truly appreciate. ESG continues to be an essential topic and focus for us. We wrote our 2025 ESG goals down, published several policies and finalized ESG metric and targets for people and process. For the environment, we launched our first carbon footprint measurement program. We continue our journey with a long list of actions to accelerate our effort in ESG. It's deeply rooted in our mission of democratizing financial service and making them fast, easy, and green. Last, but not certainly not least, the topic of creating and maximizing shareholder value is an important topic for us, a team. We ensure align our employees' incentives with those of our investors, which is reflected in our decision making and compensation. I want to take this opportunity to thank the whole team and all of you for the year. For nearly 2 decades, we have been trailblazer in fintech, and we intend to keep it that way.